Today is EFvsDA Fresno. But first, I gotta feed my cat before we take off. Hey. Alright guys, so here's another theory. The car has this sputtering issue or this boost cut feeling. I noticed that the turbo, I mean from the get-go, I knew this already, that this turbo is too small for the K-Series compression. K-Series compression is like 11 or 11 and a half to 1 depending on what year, but mine is 11 to 1 and it spools this turbo way too fast. On my B-Series, this turbo spools at 55 and VTEC was at 5 and there was no interference. This car, the turbo spools at 4,000 RPM and we're not even in VTEC yet, so it sputters before it picks up. So let me show you guys really quickly. Right now I'm chilling in 6th gear and I'm right under 4,000 RPM, and as soon as I tap the gas you can hear the turbo spool, and I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up, but watch. See, and then it starts to jolt. See that jolting it's doing right here? Right there, it's jolting. And then as soon as I pass that spool, it goes. So I'm about to exit, meet up Alex, and then we're gonna mob 2 cars to the meet. 2.5 hours. Just me and Alex today. So this car has a starting issue that may not be related to the starter. And what it's doing is when I turn the car off, you can't turn it on. And I found out that when you kick the key on, it does nothing at the starter. And then when you shake it around, you can hear the starter engaging, like the solenoid or whatever. So either the key cylinder's fucked up. This is a brand new ignition switch, but that could be faulty too because I jacked it from the junkyard. I mean, I bought it from the junkyard, and it is an aftermarket, like auto parts store. It's not OEM. So I'm gonna change all that out because I have another one at the house, the matching right-hand drive one, and then I'll change the ignition switch too, see if it fixes my starting issue. Because if it doesn't, then we're gonna change starter like Chris Sadowski did. What a trip! So we were coming down right here on the 152, right? And me and Alex, and then like we were coasting down, and I was squinting, and I was like, I know I see a wagon up front, but I wasn't sure until we crossed the car, and sure enough, it was my buddy Alex. So Alex has a red RT 4-wheel drive, and then my other buddy Alex has a red 4-wheel drive as well. What are the chances that this guy was right here on the side of the road? In the middle of nowhere. I hella forgot to hit him up to see if he was still down to go, but hey, he's out here before me, dude. So we pulled over, and now I guess we're gonna mob all together, man. Let's get on it. Damn it.
I gotta go state ref tomorrow too.
You guys say ref?
Yeah.
On a single cam?
Yeah. Rolling 2-step.
Oh,
yeah. We
just tell them it's a misfire.
We have our little own like supposedly anti-lag shit. So like,
rolling 2-step.
We have like a little switch, and you'll just hit 2-step.
Really?
While you're rolling, and it's just
Like a momentary switch, or?
no, it's like flip it on.
Flip switch.
Flip it on, and then you can just gun in and pop. This guy decides to pass us doing it in front of a cop.
Yeah. I didn't see the cop.
Dude, tell me why we drove all the way here, not a single cop in sight until we exited. Yeah, like 3, 4 cops right there.
Watch out for cops.
Yeah, bro, I was scared. I pulled out. I was the first car with the intercooler and everything. Yeah. Dude, this ice cream man right here, he's been driving around thinking he's gonna make some money today.
Anytime he came around already, man.
So we've been out here for like what, like 45 minutes now, something like that. I don't know, we just got here, but You know, we're out here just chilling at the Fresno EFvsDA meet, hanging out with these guys for a quick second because it was kind of hot and it's kind of breezy now, and we are under the shade, so that's good for us. But I haven't walked around yet, but a lot of people already started leaving. I'm about to do so right now, check out some of the cars, and then there's free hot dogs, drinks, and chips over there. There's some chips over there too. And guess who showed up? Hey, he's got a new car right here. Like every single time I see him, he has a new car. But this one is clean. I give it to him for sure. SI?
Yeah.
SI, painted pewter gray metallic with a ZC swap. How about that? Makes me want to keep my car, but I don't want it no more. Sorry, Chad. Gotta sell my CRX. I still got a gray one. What you talking about? It is purple, guys. That bone stock GSR. Ooh, that boy clean. Oh, that GSR swap. Oh, yeah. When do you see one of them unicorns? Probably never. Boys are out. I came out here to show the Fresno guys some love because they came out to Sacramento. So I came out to their city. Ooh, I rock these momos. Cray, dude. It's a 4-door. It's got a slanted motor, not sure why. But damn. B20V, all the basic bolt-ons you can put on here, bro. Gloves too, makes you faster. If it works, it works. Ingenuity at its finest right there. Who doesn't love Silverstones? Because I sure do. It's clean. If it ain't a Type R, then it ain't a Type car. This is what I want to see. Yup. This is a 5-lug EF sedan. Oh boy, this thing is so badass. Right-hand drive too. Oh my good lord. Color combo is so dope on this. Light car, light color wheels. Oh, just want to get a 4-door. Oh, that thing is so badass. With the swap. Respect. Timeless GSR blades. Ooh. Oh, look at this. First, second gen Civic Wagon right here. Hey, it's always lovely to see these cars still around. All them old school fans, this one's for y'all. You out?
Yeah, I'm out.
All right, for sure, man. I'll probably see you next time. You too. timeless this timeless B16 in this CRX. So clean on this blade silver. You don't often see this color around. Whew. Look at this gem right here. Ooh, brings it out like once every 5 years. I'm just playing. It's the homie's car. Oh, this thing is so bad. I don't know if you can pick up the color on it. Oh, timeless wheels. MR5s.
These wiping now is freaking bomb.
Because I want to make sure that this shit don't come off like you said, right? So I don't have a real signature except my name signature, like I scribble on every receipt. Oh, hold on.
We got witnesses here.
Gotta get it wet.
Wet. Like he said, mint. That's a badass signature. I can't even write like that.
No, but
True that.
EFvsDA 5.
Every year then.
This car's never going nowhere.
Hey, bro.
Yup.
You're the second person ever in all my years that had me sign your hood. That's too cool, man. That's too cool for sure.
Check it out, look. I bought this. I seen you doing it, and I bought this. And I did it.
Hey, bro.
I bought it for $15.
Really?
It was hella ugly, and I saw
Bro.
the video, and I did it like you.
Hey, man. I'm out there to try to put up DIYs for those who say they can't, bro. You can, man.
Can't, $15.
Hell yeah, dude. Look at that. Best $15, a little bit of elbow grease. Re-clear.
About 16 hours.
Damn.
Anywhere you want.
Anywhere I want. I'll probably do it on the same side then.
Yeah.
I'm still tripping off the fact that you got this chunk of metal sitting right here. Is that a V20
It's too black anything.
heat shield, right? You want to make sure the intake gets cold air, bro, not hot air. You feel me? It's always the Mustang. What's all that white at? It was white earlier.
It's all dried out. Use it all up on my car over there.
Today is, I just wrote it.
EFvsDA meet.
Central Cal.
Oh.
Man.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate you guys' support for real, man. Like, this is like, it just made my damn trip worthwhile, bro.
Oh, man, I have to make it worthwhile. You came all the way down?
Hey, you guys show me mad love, bro. I appreciate it a lot, man. I appreciate
You gotta come out until I watch your video yesterday.
I'm about to take you to my house, go eat at my house.
I think we might be hit up the ASR meet they have going on right now.
Where's that?
So I got most of the cars before everybody left, and it was a great little turnout. And this is my second year here. Definitely great vibes out here. Thank you to all the supporters out here that watches my stuff, man. You guys made my day, definitely. But right now we're actually going to head to ASR meet. Apparently they have one going on right now. We're gonna swing by, check it out. If the show is over, then we head home. If not, then we're gonna hang out a little bit. But first, some gas. Good Lord have mercy. $4.19 for 91. Don't pump your gas out here in Fresno, guys. It's just too expensive. Oh, my car's on because I got starting issues. But or you can just don't modify your car so you can get better MPGs. So we left the EFvsDA meet out there at the Woodward Park, and we're out here at the ASR meet. It was towards the end of the meet, but there was a pretty good amount of quality car and a small crowd still here when we pulled up. So kind of spoke to some of the guys out here. They're pretty chill, and yeah, everybody started loading up and leaving just about now, which is, you know, about the time we're gonna leave back up north anyway. So oh, some of those cars were so badass, but I didn't get to check them out. There was that one right there. There was one that was on the trailer. Oh, that shit does change color.
Yeah.
But it's sick because he has that Jasper green, like OEM color into it, but then it's pearl. So apparently the dude that was kind of standing here with us, I did not record, is an undercover cop. I ain't sweating it. I'm not from here. Yeah, the RS? Who went to go check out his car and say he had like laptops and scanners and shit?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember who was checking out his bit, but
That's what he said. That's why everybody started taking off.
yeah, he looked like a cop, dude.
Brian L. Spillner, or Earl Spillner. What the fuck? Yeah, but everybody's taking off. It's already 5 o'clock anyways, and that's what time this ends. So me and Amigo here, we're gonna be heading up 200 miles back up north. Holy shit. 160. And we can go a little quicker too.
2 hours and 20 minutes.
Because you got to go the other way. Well, I got to go. I'm further than you. Anyways, hey, bro, I watched your video, so I don't know, give you a quick shout out real quick because I knew I recognized that Honda Accord too. But what's your channel?
It's my name, Moses, M-O-I-S-E-S, Robles, R-O-B-L-E-S.
And then I'm gonna find it, and then I'm gonna tag it. I'm put a little what do you call it? Little. Oh my God, a little link up and above for you guys to check it out.
Point below, how people say, I'm gonna point below. You guys follow it.
Whichever way, I'm gonna post it like everywhere and in the description.
Wherever.
So check out his content. He pretty much records kind of like what I do. When he goes out with his friends, hang out, chill, car related stuff, he posts it up. Whoa, calm down, buddy. Stupid starting issues with the car. I believe low voltage in mixture with the key cylinder and the ignition switch itself, but I had a jump pack, so the car was able to crank over after several tries with the full power to the car. And what was your name again, bro?
Dow.
Dow, like Dow pins.
Dow.
Kinda.
Yeah.
Dow.
Dow is like, you know, Dow Jones.
D-O-W. Dow.
You can pronounce it like that. It's spelled D-A-O, but D-O-W.
Oh, Dow.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, for sure. Just kind of throw a little Asian in there.
Yeah.
Dow. Well, I'm Dana, by the way. I appreciate your quick knowledge on that, and you trying to help me get my car started because we've been sitting here for a cool minute when we were supposed to be leaving already. But guys over there kind of busy themselves too. But I am going to end this video right here. Definitely we hit 2 meets in one day. Both of them were super chill. This one was kind of away from the sun, given that we got the tree and stuff. So a little bit of relaxation before we hit the road. I'm sure Alex is ready to go because he's been ready to go. I'm ready to rock and roll, and we got gas, so we're good. And I'm gonna end the video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this EFvsDA small coverage, as well as the ASR meet coverage, even though we came a little bit late. Met some new people. The girl was pretty stoked on the cars when we pulled up. She was pretty like, oh shit, it's a right-hand drive and so on and so forth. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.